UG replied in a very aggressive manner when asked about Osho and J. Krishnamurti. UG Krishnamurti quote Osho and said, Osho is telling, through fucking, you can get the enlightenment. How is it possible? And Krishnamurti, Osho both are, however, telling that you don't need authority in spirituality, but becoming another authority. UG Krishnamurti is completely anti-guru. He don't want any system or any method. And he is even aggressively, I can't even use the words here, what UG, abused UG to Osho and J. Krishnamurti. He said that these peoples are, creating more confusion and trapping people. They are creating all the psychological issues and stimulating people to search more, seek more, and hence always in this psychological matrix or trap. UG Krishnamurti said, you must be in a natural state. It is the state which is the intelligence of the body. UG said there is nothing as mind. We are creating the mind. There is nothing as psychological. There is nothing as enlightenment or spiritual awakening. All the bastards are trapping you. These people telling you can't get enlightenment through book, but printing their commentaries on books, creating authority, becoming another guru, telling you don't need technique, but made another technique. Like all the UG said, fucking whatever, dynamic meditation or choiceless awareness. You must be careful of all these people, all these bastards. I will kick them all of them. If you listen to the commentary of UG Krishnamurti, and you will see UG, the frustration you will see on the face of the UG, or whenever you asked about Osho or J. Krishnamurti, especially the J. Krishnamurti, because UG has not got the same recognition as these masters are getting. Maybe this frustration is in the face of the UG, or it may also be possible that UG, remaining in a natural state all the time, even not, trying to completely control the anger. He is trying to, let the anger explode. He is trying to, not creating the image of saintly person who don't angry. If there is anger coming naturally, be angry. No problem in angry. UG said, I am not telling anybody, to anyone, to anything. You are letting me bark. So UG was very straightforward, very direct. You will never expect the sugar-coated things from UG. So this is what UG used to think about Osho and J. Krishnamurti. What you want to say, you can comment and share your opinion. And if you're search in the spirituality, in meditation, trying to understand what is real meditation, I have a spirituality course for you. There are 24 videos in this course and a guided meditation video. My WhatsApp number 9773529489, giving in description too. You can join this beautiful, ultimate spirituality course by dropping the message on WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.